Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Montague County in north-central Texas, northwestern Wise County in north-central Texas, southwestern Cook County in north-central Texas, until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Boise, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Bowie around 5:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Sunset around 5:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Prairie Point, Stoneburg, Ralston, Nullard, Fruitland, Park Springs, Montague, and Forestburg. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The current time is 5:17 p.m.